So the signing of Artemis Accords and being a member of the Artemis Accords it's a responsibility. It's a responsibility for all these nations that want to come together and agree on these principles of how to explore space, but not just explore space, but to explore space in a sustainable, safe, and peaceful manner. So we look forward to Slovenia joining us in this journey. We also look forward to Slovenia being able to contribute to the Artemis campaign as well, and sharing with us what they think their contributions can be in that journey, and as a spacefaring nation. So the Artemis campaign itself is taking human beings and taking humankind beyond low Earth orbit. We've been low Earth orbit for over 20 years now, and it's time to hand that over to the commercial market, and as NASA and many other countries will be customers of one of many customers. And NASA now and the United States with its partners want to go beyond low Earth orbit and explore further and see what's out there that we can either learn from and bring back to Earth, or learn from and explore further. And in addition to what I already said, the Artemis Accords is also really important for inspiring our youth by showing them how we can explore and broadening their minds. They are going to be the future engineers, astronomers, and space explorers of the new Artemis generation.